Warner Brothers Studio Tour, take one.
Action!
Take one.
Action!
Action! Sheldon, where are you?
Good morning.
Are you here for the tour?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Welcome.
Thank you.
It's gonna be $15 for the park.
All right.
So the lobby is absolutely beautiful. And then we're gonna go through security. How gorgeous this place is. Woo. So we're wandering around in the gift shop while we wait for our tour to start. What is that?
Actor.
Actor.
And this is my producer right there. Behind
me.
the camera.
I can't see anything. I'm the producer.
Good afternoon. If you are here for the Classics Tour, the Studio Tour Classics, it will say on ticket Classics Tour if you haven't already checked. Come on over to the right side of the counter where I'm waiting.
These are the current shows that they're filming right now, but not on the weekend. We're in line and it's pretty organized. We're gonna hop on our tram in a second. I have no idea what language this is, but let me know in the comments if you find out. So they brought us in a theater and they sat us all down. I think we're gonna see like the history of Warner Brothers Studio or something. We'll find out in a second.
You must remember this. A kiss is just a kiss.
Welcome to Warner Brothers Studio Tour Hollywood. This is one of Hollywood's oldest studios, and for the past century, Warner Brothers has been making movies, TV shows, music, video games.
You're a wizard, Harry.
Hurry, please. We have so much time and so little to see.
I'm a sober man.
Bazinga!
Go ahead. Make my day.
Brace for impact.
This is preposterous. Here's Johnny.
This is going to be such an exciting day. I hope you enjoy it.
Here we go. Walking to our tram.
It's a Big Bang Theory, Young Sheldon, Hubie Halloween.
You'll see Midwest Street on a lot of television shows. In fact, it was turned into all of Stars Hollow for the hit series Gilmore Girls.
They do have a starch-based snow, so it's kind of like just snowing mashed potatoes.
So this was the set for tons of TV shows. This is the Full House house on the set. And this is the real house from one of our visits to San Francisco.
The Daily Planet for Lewis and Clark, The New Adventures of Superman, is right here on the corner. It was also a bar and ER at the same time when Lorelai went on a date in Gilmore Girls. This is where they went for that, because it was already dressed for the set. It was perfect.
Here's the set from Abbott Elementary. And of course, the gazebo from the Gilmore Girls. There's Luke's diner. There's the diner close up. And this is where Rory went to Yale. The famous fountain at the beginning of Friends. They let you take pictures in front of it. They drive you around through the back lots and they show you all the different studios, and you get to go in one and, you know, they give you a little tour around the inside of whatever particular show is going on there at the time. Then you end up at the Central Perk, which is actually a real cafe, and you can buy stuff. And they have all of the different sets dispersed throughout the gift shop there. So the Central Perk Cafe has all of these different sets for the Friends. So you can take tons of pictures and stuff. It's really cool. This is Monica's kitchen. Taking the coffee in Monica's kitchen. This is one of the living rooms. but yet it's all mixed in with the gift shop. So there's plenty of stuff for you to buy. So they have two sets that you can move into next, and they're in their entirety. One from Friends, as you can see here, and then the next one is the one from Big Bang Theory, and they're totally cool. Sheldon, where are you? Then you go into a museum-y type area that has all sorts of paraphernalia and information for you to look at and read. And then you hop on a tram and you go to all the Harry Potter stuff. And the Harry Potter stuff has all this interactive stuff you can do.
Where you ought to be. Noble and brave, a strong combination. It can only be Gryffindor!
Oh, you have to pull it up. Oh my. Plenty of opportunities for active photo ops here. And tons of photo ops and like fun activities and stuff. It was really, really cool, especially if you're a Harry Potter fan. They had this green screen that you could ride the Harry Potter mobile or whatever it's called. Sorry, I really haven't seen the movie. And then you purchase them later. They were a little bit pricey. We were not interested in doing that. And here we got to play with some animation, and that was actually really fun. I had never done anything like that. It's a very interesting tour, totally worth the $65 that we paid.
The video's awesome. Yeah, it is. It's so serious. Our pictures came out really good.
This is awesome. So this is cool. It's the Oscar room. I just got to hold an Oscar. And these Oscars are real, and they're made of real gold. Hey, check out our merch store with our logo and cool travel designs. All of our clothes are made with 100% cotton or organic cotton, all colors and sizes. Tees, tanks, hoodies, and more, along with accessories like mugs, glasses, cell phone cases, and masks. Please support our channel and get some cool merch. Store link in the description.